This eggplant appetizer is very fragrant and delicious. Cut eggplant in round shape and mix it with some salt and set aside. Also cut tomatoes. In a small bowl mix garlic, salt, black pepper, chopped basil, paprika and olive oil. Cut eggplant as shown in the video, and put them into oven tray. Cover the eggplants with garlic mixture. Bake in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Put tomatoes rings on the top and pour some mozzarella cheese on each one. Then bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes again.